Hello, welcome to our channel. Join us to explore the world of heavy transport, from fearless driving to unforeseen challenges. Get ready for a breathtaking adventure, showcasing the best action moments around the world. Let's get started. Subscribe to our channel for more surprises. Saw a loose tyre break the windshield as the driver drove away, but his nerves got the better of him, and he still decided to drive away. What a horrible chaos on the icy bridge and train tracks captured by dash cam. The car lost control and crashed straight into the side of the road. The car moved as if it had a personal grudge against each other. It was dangerous. Oh my God! The car was going and suddenly lost control and rushed forward, hitting other cars and affecting many other vehicles. Have you ever witnessed such a dangerous place? The truck was dumping sand when suddenly its support broke and it collapsed. Luckily, no one was hurt. A little tilt, and this whole setup can turn into a dry mess. The car going down the creek tilting. This car definitely has bad brakes, probably due to poor maintenance and improper use. Dust flies everywhere, affecting other vehicles. Always keep your distance, sometimes otherwise you'll damage the trunk of someone in front of you. Oh, that truck is quite old and needs a rest. It must have not been locked properly, or maybe the driver went into that corner too fast. Either way, those cyclists were lucky to be a few meters closer, and this could have been a whole different story. He lost control of the vehicle due to the long journey, leading to insomnia while driving. This is the consequence of lack of sleep while driving long distances. This situation highlights the importance of double-checking locks before lifting containers at terminals. Not releasing the rear right lock caused the entire truck to be lifted. A fertilizer truck got stuck in a ditch. See how they were rescued from this situation. Running a red light is a sure way to ruin your day and someone else's. While this dump truck is unloading impressively, the gravel shakes with every movement. Would you like to own such a powerful car? The car is trying to prove its strength while pulling the truck through difficult snowy terrain. The snowy road is slippery, but luckily the car has done its job. This is a tough challenge. We are witnessing the pulling of a dump truck through rough terrain with patience and driving ability with powerful engine and flexible steering system. They are gradually overcoming the obstacles to ensure the truck reaches its destination safely. This is every truck driver's worst nightmare. That's why you should never trust blindly. Always double check your route. The lumber truck was passing through the dusty road, dust flying everywhere. The overturned truck and debris looked like something out of a movie, but I was impressed by how the excavator worked to rescue the driver. Due to the harsh weather conditions, the ground was covered with snow, making the road slippery and difficult for vehicles to climb. That truck didn't cross the bridge, it survived an earthquake. Amazingly, this powerful crane is dismantling a structure. Its superior strength allows work to progress quickly. Oh no, The tractor was trying to climb onto the raft, but due to its excessive weight and loss of balance, it suddenly flipped over and fell down. The scene happened so quickly that everyone was both shocked and worried. Oh my God! Luckily no one was hurt. Always check the hydraulics for leaks and wear. If you see fluid dripping or hear strange noises, back off and call maintenance before it turns into a guillotine. The poor car wasn't built to run at full power, but at least it's trying. On a wet, slippery curve, the huge long truck lurched forward as the exhausted driver struggled after a long journey with heavy hands gripping the steering wheel. He tried to keep his balance, while the tires skidded lightly on the wet road, pushing his concentration to the absolute limit. That's exactly what I call a rescue mission. The Uli is a powerful machine, and watching it get drunk out of the mud is like watching a professional athlete. In action, it's incredible the power and precision these machines can deliver when they work together at that point. There's no stopping them. Looking at the gatekeeper's house being demolished, I couldn't help but feel nostalgic. The old walls that had witnessed countless years of passing were now crumbling into ruins. A part of history faded into the past, paving the way for progress and innovation. The service mast, with sturdy and strong design, has successfully crossed the river with excellent stability thanks to its high-power engine and flexible operation. This service mast ensures that the river crossing task is completed safely and efficiently. On water with high horsepower engine, the excavator breaks all limits. This ability allows it to operate in flooded areas for mining and construction efficiently and easily. The bridge in the distance is slowly being destroyed, with concrete blocks breaking off under the power of heavy machinery. Workers are carefully dismantling the old structure step by step in preparation for the construction of a safer and more modern infrastructure. Can't believe they are bringing the car in for no good reason. The vehicle is equipped with planetary transmissions that demonstrate exceptional wading capabilities in a closed-out unit on a trailer, highlighting torque distribution and engine capabilities on water. The vehicle always carries some planks or logs when going over soft ground. Even the best off-road vehicles need a helping hand. This is a true legend of vehicles when it comes to off-road transport, with its rugged design and impressive hill climbing ability of up to 75%. Even more amazing, this vehicle can conquer terrain that most other trucks get stuck on. Now the car is a beast. Mud and water terrain, no problem. This thing just keeps rolling. The car did its job well and got the job done quickly. A powerful wheel loader with a 500 horsepower engine is dismantling an old house. Its superior power helps the work go quickly and efficiently. Leave a comment with number 1 if you are impressed with these machines. The bulldozer slowly sank into the thick mud, with only its upper part visible amid the marshy landscape. Its tracks faded on the wet ground as rescue efforts were underway to return the machine to solid ground.